Hello everyone, welcome to the Cloud 13 Pro YouTube channel. In this video, I will be sharing about the issue that I found when I was working with the VMware Workstation Pro. As you can see here, I have many Windows operating system in my VM. I have Windows 11, I have Windows 10, I have Windows XP, and another few Windows 10. I was working with the Windows 10 and Windows 11 for quite some times, and everything was working fine until today when I was trying to boot my VM workstation. I got a different type of error. Let's start to boot the system. Okay, this is the normal warning. Just click OK. As you can see now, the graphic display was not clear and it was like blocks around the screen, and there's no any error message or anything, but you can't see the screen very clear. Everything's still normal. As you can hear, the Windows sound is booting up. Then this one will be the problem. Okay. Now I try to boot up Windows 10. Again, this is the normal warning. Just click OK. The error below is because not there is no CD-ROM, so we can ignore. As you can see here, the same display shown in the VMware, similar to the Windows 11. But as you can see here, there's a circle spinning around. Uh, I'm not sure if from the video we can see very clear, but from here I can see there's the circle spinning around. Okay, now you can see there's a login page. You can see the date just now. Yeah, but unfortunately the screen become like this. So when I press enter, as you can see here, the cursor is blinking and there's a text box for us to enter the password. So I enter my password. You can see now there's a welcome sign after I enter my password. But with this kind of display, there's not much thing I can do. Now let's go back to the Windows 11. Okay, now I got another message error that saying that there's lost connection to the MKS sandbox and you can request some support. Okay, just click OK. And after that, you can't seems to be access anything. Okay, next, let's try to boot the Windows XP. Again, this is the same message. You can just click OK. The below message is just because there's no CD-ROM connected. I got the same message from the Windows XP. Just click OK. Let's try to boot again. Okay, now I got a different message that make sure you have the rights to run the program. The VMware authorization service is not running. Okay, let me try to power on again. Again, the same message, just click OK. Close the message. Okay, so the same error. Okay, it's auto close. Okay, for this kind of message, do not you do not need to uninstall the VMware and install back again. It might works, but there might be a better solution rather than uninstall the VMware Workstation itself. Let's open the File Explorer. In the Windows Explorer, you find the operating system that you want. For example, mine, Windows 11. Look for the VMX file. Okay. If you are not able to find the VMX file, you can click View, choose Show, and remember to tick file name extension. So I have ticked my one. I can find locate the VMX file, right click on it, edit in Notepad. Let me bring over to the main screen. Look for MKS enable For my case is on the fourth row. Change the value from true to false and remember to save it. Now I close the VMware, open the VMware again, click on the Windows 11 that I have modified. Now we try to power on. Again, this message is you can click OK. Okay, now at least you don't see the white or the boxes cover the screen. You are able to see the same Windows 11 now. Let's try to on the other operating system. So my one here will be under Windows 10 client. Let me verify on this, the location. How to verify the location? You can click on the Edit Virtual Machine, uh, go to the option, and it will locate it under the D Virtual Machine, Windows 10 exploitable. Okay, go back to the Windows Explorer, Windows 10 exploitable. Same method, find the VMX file. So for me, will be under here. Right click, edit in Notepad, find the MKS. It is the same. You will be able to see at the fourth row for my case. Change the value from true to false. Remember to save the file. Close the. Now go back to the VMware and click power on this virtual machine. Click OK. You can see now I can able to boot the Windows 10 as per normal. Now go back to the Windows 11. Okay, now it's doing Windows update. Okay. Now let's go to the Windows XP and try it the same method. My Windows XP. Remember to find the VMX file. So this is my VMX file. Right click, edit in Notepad. For Windows XP, looks like the VMX file configuration a bit different compared to Windows 10 and Windows 11. So you just Control F, look for MKS, and you can able to find it. There will be under the in the middle, somewhere in the middle. Similar solution, change the value from true to false. Remember to save the file. Now we go back to the Windows, go back to the VMware. Okay, you can see now, still in the Windows 10, I am able to see the Windows without the boxes, and I am able to continue use my Windows. Now we will try to boot the Windows XP Pro. Power on this machine. As you can see earlier, there are so many boxes covering the VMware, which is become a problem. You will not be able to use it properly. Now I have modified. Okay, so just start choose Windows normally. This is the problem in Windows XP during the olden days, where if you don't shut down normally, there will be have similar problem like what you have seen in the screen. Just click or just enter start Windows normally. Yeah. Now we can go back to the Windows without any issue. Okay, my Windows. Now let's retry the Kali Linux, the Linux operating system. Power on this virtual machine. Yep, is able to boot as per normal for the Linux operating system. Go back to my Windows XP. You can see down the Windows XP is able to boot, and you can hear the Windows sounds. Back to Kali Linux, everything working fine. Go back to the Windows Client 10. Yeah, I can able to log in. Go to Windows 11, or my Windows 11 has completed the update. Now let me try to log in. It was working fine now. This issue mostly happens in VMware Workstation version 17.6. How do you check your VMware version? Go to the Help, click About VMware Workstation. Yeah, this is my version 17.6.3. The solution is just simply change the VMX setting and it will solve the issue. You don't have to uninstall and reinstall again. If you have this problem, try to follow the solution and I hope it can solve your problem as well. I hope you like the video. Please help to like and subscribe. Thank you.